In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Dialogflow account and create your first agent. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you have everything set up perfectly. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Dialogflow console. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account credentials. This step is essential because Dialogflow is part of the Google Cloud ecosystem, so having an active Google account is a prerequisite. Once you've signed in, you'll notice a left sidebar menu. This is where you'll find various options to manage your Dialogflow activities. What you're looking for is the Create Agent option. Go ahead and click on it. Creating an agent serves as the foundation for your chatbot, enabling it to understand and respond to user inputs. Now, you'll need to provide a few details to configure your agent properly. First, enter a unique and identifiable name for your agent. This name should be descriptive enough to convey what your agent is about, but it can be anything that suits your project. Next, choose your agent's default language. Consider who will be interacting with your chatbot and what language will facilitate clear communication. After selecting the language, decide on a time zone that matches where most of your users will be located. This is crucial for any time-sensitive functions or responses your agent might handle. At this point, you'll be prompted to select or create a Google Cloud project associated with your agent. If you have a pre-existing project that you want to use, select it from the list. Otherwise, you can create a new one right from this interface. This project acts as the container for your Dialogflow agent and all its components, so make sure it's chosen thoughtfully. After filling out all the necessary information, you're ready to create the agent. There's a Create button right there on the page. Give it a click, and in just a moment, your agent will be created. This new creation will be ready for you to customize and deploy as you see fit. Immediately after the creation process, you'll find yourself on the agent dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your newly created chatbot. Here, you can begin adding intents, which are the drives behind every interaction your chatbot will have. Additionally, you can set up different responses, allowing your agent to reply accurately and engagingly to users. Feel free to start testing these interactions directly from the dashboard to ensure your chatbot works as expected.